Heikin Ashi 260 pips whole profit method. Heikin Ashi is characterized by the fact that the color continuously appears. This is the Australian. I changed it to the daily chart. In this chart, Heikin Ashi's bear is red. This is red. And Heikin Ashi's bull is white. The colors appear in this sequence due to the characteristic of representing a trend. As a characteristic, the trend continues until the color changes. That in itself can be a trigger for trading and profit. For example, in this Heikin Ashi white, the point where the trend has changed from a bull to a bear, changing from white to red. If you enter here, for example, you can take advantage of the move. In a trend, when the price drops and then the color changes, when it changes from red to white, this is the time to take advantage of the opportunity. This is the whole profit. With Heikin Ashi, the trend changes from red to white. Now it is going up. When the trend is up, this part is entirely profitable. You took about 130 pips on the downside. This time it is 130 pips. So, the profit is about 260 pips. In the current situation, the red has been going on for a long time. How far will it go down in the future? Until this color changes. If you enter the market there, the price will come back and you will make a profit. In this way, Heikin Ashi represents a trend. When you trade at a turning point where the trend changes, you will see the price return to the previous price. If you trade at the turning point where the trend changes, it is easy to make a profit when you trade at the turning points of the trend. Another point to keep in mind is that Heikin Ashi itself is a harami. It is also important to keep in mind that the Heikin Ashi itself can easily become deceptive. For example, a series of bulls here will change color. If the color changes, but the red is a harami, it is easy to be fooled. If it ends between the high and low of one previous candle, the color will not continue. It's white all the way to red, but then it turns white again. Be careful when the Heikin Ashi is in harami. Like this, the color is red continuously, then white, and then white. This is not a harami. Therefore, it is easy for the trend to change after that. However, since this is a harami here, it is easy to become a fake, and then it is easy to become a range. If we keep this in mind, it becomes easier to trade in a color sequence. It will be easier to distinguish when the color has turned, or rather, it will be easier to take action. Thank you.